Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're diving into DeepSeek AI, a chatbot similar to ChatGPT. I'll guide you step by step on how to use it, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to chat.deepseek.com. This is the official website of DeepSeek AI and you don't need to download anything. The interface will load instantly and you'll see a simple, clean chat window similar to ChatGPT. At the center of the screen, there's a text box where you can type your messages. But before typing anything, take a look at the options below the input field. There are two choices: Deep Think and Search. Deep Think is the AI's response mode. It generates answers based on its trained data, just like ChatGPT. On the other hand, Search pulls results directly from the web, which is helpful if you need real time information. Let's try asking DeepSeek a question. I'll type "What is DeepSeek AI?" and press enter. Within seconds, DeepThink generates a detailed response explaining how DeepSeek works. That response appears just like a regular chatbot reply, and you can continue the conversation by asking follow up questions. Now let's test the search feature. I'll type "latest AI trends in 2024" and select the search option. Instead of generating a response from its AI model, DeepSeek fetches web search results. This is useful for getting the most up to date information on current events or technical topics. Another great feature is the ability to upload files. If you need DeepSeek to analyze a document, just click the small attachment icon next to the text box, select a file, and the AI will process the content for you. This is useful for summarizing reports, analyzing text, or extracting key details from a document. On the left side of the screen, there's a sidebar that shows your chat history. Every conversation is saved here, so you can go back and review past responses. If you want to start fresh, just click the new chat button at the top. At the bottom left corner, you'll see a Get App button. DeepSeek has a mobile app available, so if you prefer chatting on your phone, you can download it for easy access. That's it for today's tutorial. DeepSeek is a powerful, easy to use AI tool that works just like ChatGPT but with added search capabilities. Try it out and see how it fits into your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.